Hello and welcome back to my channel. I got two guns that I'll be reviewing soon from the company Porphis. So I'm going to be showing you what's inside. On this one, we'll be doing another video for this spray gun. So let's just go to it, open it up. Let's see the gun. And there it is. This is everything that's included in the package, including the tools to disassemble. And this is a gun right here. Real nice looking gun. This one has a 1.3 tip. Right there. There, this is a cap. There it is. A real nice looking gun. It does come with your cup, or if you want to use PPS cups, just go ahead and install a PPS cup, but it'll work either way. Here is the gun disassembled. It's a real nice looking gun. Really nice. Let me put it back together. Right there, guys, this is an HVLP gun, as you can see right there. So we're going to be testing it out. We are going to be doing some lowrider graphics soon, and I'll be testing it out on that. So just stay on the lookout for that. And this is it. This is a quick unboxing of one of the guns this company has. I'm gonna leave the links to this company in the description below. Go ahead, hit them up, tell them Far Away sent you, and just wait for that review on it. It's coming real soon. So just stay tuned, and this will be it for this video. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you next this coming weekend. Stay safe. And like always, God bless.